Hi guys, Mantas here, and today we'll show you how to limit WordPress search to only posts without using any plugins. So why on earth would you like to limit search to only posts? So basically every website got pages, and some of those pages might be visible by accident for visitors. If you have a search bar on your website like that, I may search now privacy, let's say, and it's gonna show me privacy policy page. And I really don't want that because my privacy policy and all legal pages are in the footer. So you may have pages like delivering lead magnets, mini courses, maybe not finished demo pages or sales pages which visitors can land on. You may want to limit search for only posts. The pages you want to display, you can add somewhere in the menu, or maybe you use advertising and it's like direct link to that page. So it's really not hard to limit search on WordPress to only posts. I hope you guys are using child theme, and if not, go and watch my previous tutorial about that, how to create a child theme for WordPress. But for now, to limit search to only post, just grab that code. I'm gonna leave the link in the video description where you can get that code. Go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, and go to the Theme Functions. Now paste the code and update the file. Once you do that, go to your website and reload. Click on reload. So now if I'm gonna try to search for privacy, the visitor lands only in search results where blog posts only are displayed. And that's what we want. Alright guys, so I hope this video was useful. Leave your comments in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.